How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is going to be my entry in the Naked Models group build held by our buddy Adam from Sodak Model Cars. Yes, this is his first annual build of this group build. You know, I almost decided not to get into it, and then I was sitting here, it's a rainy day, and I'm working on old Donnie Yarger's commission build of his 66 Ford pickup, and well, I can't do no painting, so I got to thinking, well, what can I do today? Well, this is what we're going to do. Alright, right in front of you is the original issue 1957 flip nose Corvette from MPC, molded in red. And the thing about this is I'm going to switch it between other kits. You can see the box here. See how old and beat up this box is. This is the original issue of this kit, 1979, and it has these Krager style wheels. If you get the reissue of this kit, it does not have those wheels. But I'll show you the contents in a second. But this car is molded in red, so I will be using the black components out of this MPC kit. It is molded in black, and then I will be using the white components out of this MPC kit, which is just the headers and the filter. That's the only thing I'm using out of this kit. And what I've done is everything that I've taken out of this kit, if I've taken them out of the other kits, then I just put those parts in there. So, because I plan on painting those, you know, whatever. So there's no parts missing out of no kits. The one thing I plan on using for this is black for the carpet. That's just the old craft dollar store carpet. Black wash anything I need to black wash. Put in one of these distributors right here. And various markers you can see in front of me, from chrome pen to Sharpies markers and chrome foil. Now, I'm not for sure if I'm going to use the chrome foil. I might just use the markers. But I got the chrome foil just in case, because that is in the rules. Anything you can add to it is in the rules. You just can't paint with paint. So markers and pens are alright, because that will do to either paint the firewall or put chrome foil on the firewall. The transmission I can do in a silver Sharpie. Any details, chrome, whatever. So yeah, I can black wash, I can do whatever. And I'll open this up and show you. Well, he said it can be started. This ain't started. All I've done is clip all the parts off the black and red and even white parts in there. So it has not even been started. You can see the look I'm going for. And there's the original decals. They're yellowed, but I'm only going to use 2 decals. That's these 2 right here, I think. Don't think I'll be using any other decals. Let's open this thing up. This is your instructions right here. And what's weird about this is it shows that gasser front end on it. Well, it don't come with that gasser front end. This kit right here comes with the gasser front end, and it's not a flip nose. So I don't know if I'll rob that or not. If not, I'll just build whatever front end comes with this. I ain't made up my mind yet. Maybe I'll rob it, maybe I won't. There's the engine. You can see it's got a blower on it. The drivetrain. You can see there's really not much. There, let's open this thing up. Yeah, okay, I skipped a spot. There's really not much to this kit. Here's the more of the instructions here. So, I'm going to shut my yap. I'm going to get to it. And I'm just probably going to do all in one video. So what you're seeing right here in this video will probably be start to finish. So, alright guys, bye. Alright guys, let's do a little update of what I've gotten done. I'm going to be on shaky camera, but it'd be alright. There is the engine. I've used the silver marker, the gold marker, and I haven't black washed it yet or wired it yet. No paint has been used yet, not at all. No paint. There is, if I can get it to focus, there's the, I'll have to black wash in the gauges. Here is the steering wheel. I've got the headers. Get those to focus. There's one of the headers. As you can see, I've got the body. Done nothing to it. I put a little wax on it just to see, but I wasn't going to polish this thing out. I shined it up a little bit. That's all that matters. That's all we're going to do to it. I got the little raisin hinge thing glued in there. It dries good. I'll see how that works out. I have got the underneath done. I painted the shocks silver and then went over with the blue marker, which I'll show you here in just a second. I painted silver on their aluminum, silver, whatever you want to call it, on the drive shaft with the marker. Same thing with the front tie rod. The thing does turn. There is a wheel if I can get it to focus. So much crap in the background. There you go. Told you guys, it won't be much longer. This thing's going to be together. I was just going to do it all in one video. Bye. Alright, update number 3, I think. Somewhere around in there. We're fixing to button this thing up, but let you see the inside before I glue the top on. I put carpet in it. Did the gauges. Wired the engine up. Alright. When you see this again, it will be finished. Alright guys, I am back now with the final. I think I started somewhere probably around noon on this. And here it is, almost 8 o'clock at night, if not past 8 o'clock. I don't have the watch on me. So yeah, alright, let me just remind y'all what I've done. This is the kit I built using the black parts out of this kit. Now I also used the white headers out of another Corvette kit, but I'm not going to grab the box to show you. These are all the tools that I used. I used the silver metallic paint marker, a blue Sharpie, chrome pen, a gold Sharpie, of course my glues, my panel line, snippers, scissors, drill bit, knife, sanding stick, your little tweezers. Alright, I want to thank Adam for putting this on. I'm fixing to take all this stuff away and reveal the what I've gotten done. It was a fun build. It was Adam Sodak, or Adam at Sodak Models. I'm sorry, Adam. And it was his Naked Models group build. And I almost said Naked and Afraid, even though that's the reason why you're not seeing me in front of the camera, because I am naked right now. I might be a little bit afraid too. It's storming outside. So, all right, guys, I'm going to pause this, move this stuff, and show you the reveal. Ta-da! Here she is. It's the 1957 MPC flip nose Corvette, and the kit is terrible. It is old, it's warped, the glass is scratched up. It's not a very good kit, but I made it my bitch. I didn't want to you know, do this over several days. I did this in one day. I rushed it, and you can tell, but it is what it is. It's a rainy old day, and I couldn't work on old Donnie Yager's truck, his commission build. So you know what? I decided to see if I could do this in one day. It was less than 24 hours, guys. From noon till, I'll say, 8 o'clock, this thing is finished. Give you a little look around, and then I'll take it off here and show you what all I've done to it. Like I said, this body's warped. I've already showed you, in between, the carpet I've done to it and this and that. I probably spent too much time on it for what it is. I put plug wires on it when I probably shouldn't have. The glass is so scratched up. I did put some floor polish on the glass. That's why it's kind of got that haze to it. It's kind of drying out. You can see where I've kind of wet it, but that's not technically paint. It's just the glass is so bad. I was trying to cover up some of the scratches on it, guys. But yeah, the wheels move, it rolls. I've sanded them. Let me take this thing is still drying here. Let me take this thing off here. I'm going to leave pictures at the end of this video. You can see what I've done. I just put those decals on it. I didn't put all the stupid decals all over it. You can see I black washed the wheels. Underneath, like I said, it's a rush job, so nothing special. You can see where raw plastic, where the glue kind of clouds the plastic, but used the Sharpie on it. Sharpie, black wash. Nothing special. Use the aluminum Sharpie or metal, or aluminum colored Sharpie, and then the blue Sharpie. Like I said, rush job, but you already seen that I put carpet in it. Not that you can see it now. The top doesn't fit right. Nothing fits right. Put a black wash in the doors. And that little trunk area has got a black wash on it. Guys, I pinned. You can see the little metal pin sticking out. It's the only way. And it still don't close all the way like it should. You can see right there that gap. And it's even worse gap over on this side. Well, maybe not worse, it's warped, so it kind of sticks out. I didn't put the grill in it. I put the fuel tank there. Just used the Sharpie on the emblem. No bumpers. You can see the thing is a terrible fit. Everything, the engine set's crooked. It's just a wonky, warped kit. The back end's warped, but hey, it is what she is. Let me pop this off here. You can see. Let's pop that off so you can see it open up if I can get it. I promise you I didn't glue it shut. There we go. Boom. And she works. I'll put it back on the, well, here. You can see where I wired. And black wash the engine. You can see the radiator there. The firewall is that aluminum marker. You can see all the streaks from the marker, but it is what it is. Let's put it back up here. There she is, guys. Done within just a few hours. Yes, it was rushed, but like I said, the kit wasn't perfect, so I wasn't going to take my time on it. But hey, the wheels do turn. I'm going to leave some still pictures. And she'll just look good sitting on the shelf. She won't even be in a display. She'll just be on a shelf. I don't care how much dust it collects, but it was a fun build, and I want to thank Adam for putting this on. Matter of fact, I think I'll text him pictures of it. Alright, guys, stick around at the end here, and I will have some steel pics. Alright.